Hey, what's up YouTube? Just wanted to make this quick video of this washer dryer stand I've been working on. I got this all-in-one washer dryer I wanted to put up on a stand, but I don't make them that size. So show you what I did here is I got three 2x8s here, making the outside of the frame up. I got a 2x4 here that goes across the top. This stand is pushed back on its back end right now. I got a couple coats of paint on it, letting them dry. Say what's up, Lincoln. So yeah, while I'm letting them dry, I thought I'd get a quick video. So here's the front of the drawer. Got the drawer here. It'll go in, slide in and out right here. Put the front on. I've kind of been building it to hopefully match our cabinets in our house, but yeah, that's the gist of how I did it. I'll give you another video when I got it in and installed. Okay, so here it is installed. I even got a load of laundry going already. Yeah, worked out pretty nice. Already got the drawer full. Matches the cabinets. I needed a specific size because I've got such a strange height right here, and even the ones that you can find online are $250. So I think I'm into this one about maybe 25 bucks. I already had the handle. I already had the slides and some of the wood, so plus the paint. So really had to buy a little bit of lumber and that was it. But yeah, hope you like the video.